Hi guys and welcome back to another vlog. So, aan vandaag zijn video gaan ons een boottrip vat naar Featherbed toe. En dan gaan ons klein little hike doen.
Yeah, about 2.2 k's.
Yeah.
Let me show you what boat we're going on. Turn this around quickly.
Check there. It's called the Spirit of Knysna. Let me zoom in for you guys later too.
So, Dave, are you excited for the boat trip?
Very, very. I've been asking you to take me to these type of things. I have to beg. But yeah, we finally here. Let's get it.
The Spirit of Knysna. Now this morning we're going across to the Featherbed Nature Reserve. It's a private pristine reserve that lies up ahead on the on the right hand side. But first of all, I'd like to do some introductions and a quick safety briefing for your benefit. Now the most important person on our vessel is our skipper, and this morning our skipper is April. Good morning, April. And April has a deckhand. His name is Joburg. Right guys, and because you are quite a large group, there are two guides here on board. I'd like to introduce Morris, my colleague here. And my name is Susan, so welcome to you. Now because part of this tour is on the water, your safety is very important to us. And in case we hit an iceberg and we start to sink, Joburg is going to demonstrate how the life jacket works.
Okay, you gotta go.
And we also just ask from this point to keep your arms and your sticks within the vehicle.
Okay guys, ons kom nou net van die cave af. En dis letterlik so gestel views kyk aan.
Amazing.
Staan ons nog?
See, look at the cave. That's crazy.
Dis regtig mooi views.
I just don't know if they're gonna hear us because the wind is also crazy here.
Ja, but dis fine. Kyk hoe waai my aan.
Look here.
It's letterlik baie windy. But yeah.
Watch here. Just watch here.
Okay.
Hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. Ah, glasses must go in first, huh?
Oh shit, you're recording, dude. I'm about to say something, but out of pocket. So I'll say it out of camera or off camera, so to say.
Wat was die hike vir jou so ver by? Was staan nie,
Brilliant. A bit short. We still got a few Ks to go. I think 1K. But short. But very nice. Scenic. That's the one word I can use. Very scenic.
Ons kyk gou weer in die waves.
That's the one vitamin you always need in your life.
Ja.
Vitamin N. Vitamin N is vitamin nature.
Ja.
There we go. Good for the body, good for the mind, good for the soul.
Oeh, my arm is nou seer.
Did you not see that thing?
Nee, ek het dit gesien nie.
Big. Check here.
Wat?
It's like this. It's one of those lizards that have the... I don't know what you call them.
Hoe groot is dit wat jy nou gesien het? Wat ek sien? Nee, dit is 'n slang.
No. With 4 legs.
Okay guys, ons is nog net klaar met die hike. Ons wag nog net vir die boot om te vertrek. Is nog 15 minutes, dan gaan ons weer terug oor met die boot.
To the motherland.
So ja, ek is nog baie moeg, like letterlik. So ja, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the end of another vlog. Babe, can you say bye? I hope you guys enjoyed. Ek het letterlik so baie fun gehad.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was amazing.
Die hike het het vir my lank gevoel because of the view. It was a nice view geweest, so kom met dit lank gevoel. Ek was net moeg en het net baie water gedrink agterna. So yeah.
She's tired of the 2.2 Ks, guys. Tell her she needs to work out.
Oh yes, en ek was bang geweest om so wag te wees. Ek het letterlik wag te vrees. Maar ek dink ek is nou oor dit nie.
I hope so. Because the next one we want to do is in Cape Town. She hasn't done Lion's Head yet. She hasn't done Constantia Neck yet. So stay tuned.
Ons sal maar sien. En jy vat dit nou 'n bietjie so ver. So yeah, see you next time in the next vlog.